Big Les here, and obviously welcome to the video again, doing another pack opening. So, today we got a good few packs to open, I'd say, decent packs from Squad Builder Awards. We've got packs from, I've done a couple of gold upgrades as well, I think, that might be in there. But also, I think I've got a draft win, which I might have as well. But as I say, hopefully we're going to get a sick player, because I'm trying to get a decent left back. Maybe I'll get Maldini at centre back. Maybe I'll get Petit at left back. Who knows the possibilities? Boom! Light up the first pack. Boards. Who we got then? Come on, big friend. Shh. Ah, Griezmann. Boner. Oh my God, Griezmann! Oh my God, boys! That ain't worth a like, yeah. Oh my God, Griezmann! Oh wow, he's like the best striker on. Oh wow! Woo! Let's have a look. Oh, that's sick. What's he go for? Let's have a look. Oh, 300k. Woo! Wow, that's sick. That is sick. Ah, it's mint. Right, premium gold players pack. Let's do this one as well. Boom. Ah, can we get something else awesome? Is that an inform? An inform as well. Oh, Walkout, we'll take that though. Oh wow. Boys, I can't believe we got Griezmann. Oh my God, but Walkout as well in the next pack. 2 packs, 2 boards, a Griezmann and an inform. Look at this. What's he going for? About 15k, something like that. His stats actually look really good for a defensive player. I might build a Brazilian team and put him in, because he looks really good, to be fair. He does look really decent. Oh, John Stones, that Man City regular. Next then, prime gold players pack. Boom! One of the best ones this is, so maybe, boards again. Come on! Come on! Who's it? Ah, it's Fabinho. But hey, I can't complain. I've got Griezmann in a pack. That is ruthless. Boys, we have bagged there. Bagged. Look at that. Werner as well. Oh man, coins. It's how quick it goes for. I think it's right 8k. Guessage. Ah, that's it. We'll list him straight away. Boys, I'm first 3 packs are sick. I'm well happy with that. I'm over the moon with that. List up Fabinho as well. I think he goes for about 4k. Listed for 5. Ah, boys, that is awesome. Right, and boys, I happen to have noticed also that there are some prime gold players packs available for the purchase. So, let's just do it. We're going to regret it if we don't. We've just bagged Griezmann. Right, we've just bagged Griezmann. Just bagged him. So, let's dive straight back in here. See what else we can get. I'm hoping for big things, I'll be honest, because the prime gold players packs are sick. As you will see, the coins in the corner have diminished, as I've just purchased a player, but I'm going to reveal who it is in my next video, because it's someone very, very special. So, without further ado, let's just dive straight on these then. Boom, let's light them up. Oh, he's a big flare. Oh, I thought it was an inform, but it ain't. Ah, look at the beard. The bearded man. Ah! Samoleto would have been great to get in FIFA 2001, maybe. Offload. Get rid of him with a quiff. See you later. Another one. Boom! Light it up. Right, what are we getting in this one? Come on. Boards again! Boards! Brazilian. Jonas. Rudiger as well in there. That'll do, innit? Get rid, boom. Light it up. 7, yeah, put him up. Oh shit, what have I done? Just put him back in the club. Next, down, boom. Light the next one up. Light the next one up. Prime gold players packs, and I'm not even getting bored. But I'm not moaning. We got Griezmann. We got Griezmann. We got Griezmann. It doesn't get better, I don't think. Well, it might do. It might get better, you never know, do you? Could get better right now. Boom! Flairage. It's not De Gea, clearly. Whenever you see that Spain flag when you get bored, it is absolutely the most soul-destroying moment ever. Because unless you're going to get De Gea or Sergio Ramos or someone like that, it's very disappointing. Right, boom, let's light up the last one. Bam! Flair. Boards. Right there. Holy shit! Fucking Bale! Oh my god! Bale! Woo! Boys, we got Bale! Oh, like Coutinho as well! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got Bale and Coutinho in one pack. One pack! Boy, if this is not one of the best packs has been seen, apart from the mega players. Look at it! Look at this pack! What a creature. Boys, if you enjoyed the video, drop me a comment below, subscribe and like the video, and there'll be lots more coming out to come soon. I'm going to do them more regularly, and I'm going to do different types of videos, because there's been a lot of pack openings recently. Boys, peace!